Imagine discovering a therapy so impactful that it not only transforms your own well-being, but inspires you to dedicate your life to helping others experience the same benefits. That's exactly what happened to Connie Zinn, the heart and soul behind Soul Alignment Reflexology in Moose Jaw, which recently celebrated an impressive 12 years of service. When I first tried reflexology, I was absolutely blown away by how relaxed my body felt and how much better I slept, Zinn recalled. It was such a powerful experience that I decided to dive deeper into learning about this practice and how it could help others. For more than a decade, Zinn has been offering her clients a sanctuary at Soul Alignment Reflexology, a place where they can unwind, improve circulation, and restore balance to their bodies. Her journey into reflexology began about 15 years ago when a friend recommended it as a solution for her sleep struggles. The results were nothing short of life-changing, prompting her to leave her previous career and pursue training in this holistic therapy. Zinn's education started with foot reflexology in Regina 12 years ago, followed by certifications in hand reflexology, lymphatic drainage techniques under UK-based expert Sally Kay, and structural reflexology with Geraldine Villeneuve from Vermont. She continues to deepen her expertise through advanced courses, many taught by internationally renowned instructors. This dedication to ongoing learning ensures that her clients receive the most up-to-date and effective treatments available. But what exactly is reflexology? In simple terms, it's a gentle, non-invasive therapy that involves applying pressure to specific points on the hands, feet, or ears. According to Zinn, reflexology works wonders for calming the nervous system, reducing stress, and improving circulation, three key factors that allow your body to rest, repair, and function optimally. Beyond these foundational benefits, she notes that reflexology also helps alleviate pain and promotes overall balance within the body. Here's where things get fascinating. Reflexology theory suggests that each foot contains approximately 7,200 nerve endings, each linked to various organs and systems throughout the body. By targeting specific points on the feet, hands, or ears, practitioners aim to stimulate these neural pathways, sending soothing signals to the central nervous system and encouraging relaxation. For those unfamiliar with the concept, think of it like pressing the reset button on your body's internal software. Every session begins with a brief health assessment and conversation to identify areas of concern, whether they involve stress, insomnia, anxiety, or chronic pain. Treatments typically last 1 hour for either feet or hands, while combined sessions can extend up to 90 minutes. But here's the part most people miss. Reflexology isn't just for addressing specific ailments. While some clients come seeking relief from particular issues, others simply use it as a form of self-care, a chance to carve out an hour of peace and tranquility in their busy lives. As Zinn puts it, everyone comes for different reasons. Some are focused on resolving specific challenges, while others just want that quiet time to recharge. One of the standout aspects of reflexology is its universal appeal. Whether you're managing a health condition, recovering from injury, or simply looking for a way to maintain general wellness, reflexology offers something for everyone. You don't need to have a problem to benefit from reflexology, Zinn emphasizes. It's truly beneficial for anyone, regardless of age or lifestyle. Over the past 4 years, Zinn has operated her practice from a cozy space in the Hammond building, having relocated after the physiotherapy clinic she previously rented from closed due to the owner's retirement. Her schedule fills quickly, with appointments often booked weeks in advance. However, she makes every effort to accommodate new clients whenever possible. So why does reflexology remain somewhat controversial among skeptics? Critics often question the scientific validity of its claims, yet countless individuals swear by its effectiveness. Could it be that the power of touch and intention plays a role in its success? Or is there more to reflexology than meets the eye? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. If you're curious to learn more or would like to book a session, you can reach Connie Zinn at 306-631-1933. Visit her website at soulalignment.com or stop by Soul Alignment Reflexology in the Hammond Building, located at 209 310 Main Street North.